How to schedule meetings and calls in Zoho CRM app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Zoho CRM app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to schedule meetings and calls, you need to go to the settings. Here in this home screen at the bottom right, you can see this more option. Tap on it. Now scroll down and you can see this meetings and calls option. First, in order to schedule meetings, tap on this meetings option. Now that you're in this page, tap on this plus icon over here. Now from here you can schedule meetings. You can provide the title for your meeting. You can select the meeting venue, provide the location. If it is all day, you can select this all day option. You can select the start date and the end date of this meeting. You can choose the host of this meeting. Once you are done, you can tap on this tick mark in the top right. The meeting has been scheduled. Similarly, if you want to schedule a call, head over to this calls menu, tap on this plus icon. Now from here you can schedule a call. You can fill out these details over here. Select the contacts, select the accounts, select the type of calls. You can select the call start time, the duration of the call, subject for this call. So once you select all of these, you can tap on this tick mark in the top right. So that's how you can easily schedule meetings and calls in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.